In this video, we will explore PHP variables, understanding variable declaration, naming conventions, and scope. Let's dive in and learn how to effectively use variables in PHP. So, what exactly is a variable? Think of a variable as a container like a box that stores data values. The special thing about variables is that the data inside this container can be changed while the program is running. So, a variable is a container that stores data values which can be changed during program execution. Let's see how we can declare variables in PHP. Every variable in PHP must start with a $sign symbol, followed by the name of the variable. Let's look at some examples. Here we have a variable called name and we assign the string John to it. Next we have a variable called age and we assign the number 25 to it. Then we have a variable named height and we assign the floating point number 5.9 to it. Lastly, we have a variable called a student and we assign the Boolean value true to it. Remember that each statement ends with a semicolon. All of this code is enclosed within the PHP tags. Now, let's talk about the rules for naming variables in PHP. First, variables must start with a $sign symbol. Second, variables should begin with a letter or an underscore. For example, $name and $_value are valid variable names. Variables cannot start with numbers or special characters. For example, $2name and $@value are invalid variable names. Following these rules will help you create valid and readable variable names in PHP. When naming variables in PHP, it is recommended to follow a consistent naming convention to improve code readability. Two common conventions are camelCase and snakeCase. With camelCase, you write the first word in lowercase and the first letter of each subsequent word in uppercase. For example, $first name and $user email. With snakeCase, words are separated by underscores. For example, $first name and $user email. CamelCase is typically the preferred convention in PHP. Variable scope refers to the region of your code where a variable can be accessed. In PHP, there are three main types of variable scope: global, local, and static. A global variable is accessible everywhere in the script. A local variable is accessible only within the function where it is defined. A static variable retains its value between function calls. Understanding variable scope is crucial for writing maintainable and bug-free code. Let's take a closer look at the difference between global and local variables. Here we have a variable $global variable which is assigned the string I am global. This is a global variable because it is defined outside of any function. Next, we have a function called test_scope. Inside this function, we use the keyword global to access the global variable $global variable. We also define a local variable $local variable and assign the string I am local to it. This variable is only accessible within this function. Finally, we use the echo statement to output the value of the global variable. Here are the key takeaways from this video. Variables in PHP start with a $sign symbol. It is recommended to use camelCase naming for variables. It is important to understand the scope rules to avoid errors and confusion. Use the global keyword wisely to access global variables within functions. Keep these points in mind as you work with variables in PHP. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.